Imagine the tantalizing aroma of grilling meat wafting through a bustling market street as a skilled vendor expertly assembles a street taco. Welcome to the vibrant world of street food, where every corner holds a new culinary adventure. Our first stop is the lively streets of Mexico, home to the much-loved street tacos. These aren't just any tacos, they're an explosion of flavor, a dance of textures, a celebration of tradition wrapped in a soft tortilla. Let's talk ingredients. The star of the show is the meat, typically chicken, beef, or chicken, marinated in a blend of spices and slow-cooked until it's tender and succulent. Some vendors opt for the traditional al pastor, pork marinated in a mix of chilies and pineapple, cooked on a vertical spit. Then there's the fresh-made corn tortilla, warm and supple, the perfect vessel for the rich, spicy meat. Now, the toppings. Street tacos keep it simple yet flavorful. A sprinkle of finely chopped onions, a handful of fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice. And let's not forget the salsa, whether it's the fiery red or the tangy green. It ties all the flavors together, adding that extra kick that makes your taste buds sing. But what makes street tacos truly special is the art of preparation. There's a rhythm to it, a finesse that comes from years of practice. The vendor, with swift, sure movements, grills the meat, warms the tortilla, piles on the toppings, and serves it up with a friendly smile. It's a performance, a spectacle, a testament to the love and care that goes into each taco. Taste a street taco, and you're not just eating a meal, you're partaking in a cultural experience, a tradition passed down through generations. You're savoring the heart of Mexican street food, a cuisine that's as vibrant and diverse as the country itself. These mouth-watering street tacos are a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest foods are the most satisfying. And with every bite, you'll understand why street tacos hold a special place in the hearts of food lovers worldwide. Now let's teleport to the busy streets of India, where the scent of spices and the sizzle of a dosa on the griddle beckon you. Imagine standing in front of a street vendor's cart, where a large flat griddle dominates the scene. The air is thick with the tantalizing aroma of toasting rice and lentil batter. That's right, folks, we're talking about the delectable dosa, a South Indian sensation that has taken the world by storm. Picture this, a thin, crispy pancake, golden brown in color and speckled with tiny bubbles from the fermentation process. It's made from a fermented batter of rice and black lentils, spread thinly over a hot griddle until it reaches a perfect state of crispiness. The dosa is a versatile dish, a blank canvas that can be filled with a variety of ingredients. Some like it plain, savoring the unique, slightly tangy flavor of the fermented batter. Others prefer it stuffed with a spicy potato filling, adding a wonderful contrast of textures. There's also the masala dosa, brimming with a savory concoction of sautéed onions, mustard seeds, and a blend of aromatic spices that will make your taste buds dance. But wait, the dosa experience isn't complete without the accompanying chutneys. Typically served on the side are a trio of chutneys: the fiery red chili chutney, the soothing coconut chutney, and the tangy tamarind chutney. Each chutney adds a unique layer of flavor, enhancing the overall dosa experience. Dunk a piece of your dosa into one or mix and match to create your own unique flavor profile. In every bite of a dosa, you'll find a symphony of flavors and textures. The crisp exterior, the soft and fluffy interior, the spicy filling, and the aromatic chutneys all combine to create a food experience that is truly unforgettable. From the streets of Chennai to the bylanes of Bangalore, the dosa is a staple street food that is loved by millions. It's not just a food, it's a flavor-packed experience that leaves a lasting impression. So the next time you find yourself in India, make sure to try this culinary masterpiece. After all, the dosa is not just a food, it's a flavor-packed experience that leaves a lasting impression. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of Germany, where the aroma of freshly baked pretzels fills the air. This tantalizing scent is the first hint that we're about to delve into the world of one of Germany's most iconic street foods, the pretzel. The pretzel, or brezel, as it's known locally, is a staple of German cuisine. Its origins trace back to the Middle Ages, and it has since become a beloved snack, adorning bakery windows and food stalls across the country. There's something comforting about the simplicity of its ingredients, just flour, water, yeast, and a sprinkling of coarse salt. Yet the magic truly lies in the baking process. The dough is first rolled into a long, thin rope, then twisted into the pretzel's distinctive knot-like shape. This shape, some say, was designed to resemble a child's arms folded in prayer. Then, before baking, the pretzels are briefly dipped in a lye solution, This gives them their unique, dark brown crust, a trademark of the German pretzel. When you bite into a freshly baked pretzel, you're greeted by a slight crunch from the crust, followed by a chewy, slightly elastic interior. The coarse salt sprinkled on top adds a delicious contrast to the mild sweetness of the dough. It's a harmony of textures and flavors that's hard to resist. But pretzels aren't just about taste, they're also about tradition. As you wander through a German market, you'll see pretzels in all sorts of variations. Some are sliced in half and buttered, others are filled with cheese or even wrapped around sausages. Each version is a testament to the versatility of this humble snack. Pretzels are more than just a street food. They're a symbol of German culture, a nod to its history, and a testament to its culinary creativity. So the next time you find yourself in Germany, do yourself a favor. Follow the aroma of freshly baked bread, find a street-side stall, and treat yourself to a piping hot pretzel. Remember, pretzels are more than a snack. They are a piece of Germany's culinary history, served hot and fresh on the streets. From the streets of Germany, we head towards the land of the rising sun, where sushi rolls are a street food staple. Welcome to Japan, a country where the culinary tradition is steeped in precision, simplicity, and an unwavering commitment to fresh ingredients. Delving into the world of sushi, we find a plethora of variations. Nigiri, a hand-pressed sushi topped with a slice of fresh fish, is a delicate balance between rice and topping. Maki, the sushi roll we're most familiar with, is a medley of flavors encased in a seaweed wrap, while tamaki, or hand rolls, are cone-shaped delights packed with sushi rice and various fillings. The ingredients in sushi are as diverse as the types. At the heart of every sushi roll lies sushi rice, short-grain Japanese rice seasoned with vinegar, sugar, and salt. Accompanying the rice, we find a variety of fresh fish, from salmon to tuna, and even eel. Vegetables too make their appearance, adding a crunch to contrast the softness of the rice and fish. And let's not forget the nori, the seaweed wrap that holds everything together. Creating sushi is a craft, honed through years of dedicated practice. The sushi chefs, or itamai, are artisans in their own right. Their swift, precise knife skills, their attention to the subtle nuances of each ingredient, and their ability to balance flavors and textures are what make each sushi roll a work of edible art. It's a captivating sight watching an itamai at work, the rhythmic motion of their hands shaping the rice, the swift, precise cuts through the fresh fish, and finally, the delicate roll sealing in a world of flavors. But the true magic of sushi lies in its taste. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, the tangy rice, the freshness of the fish, and the crisp seaweed all harmonizing to create a taste that's uniquely satisfying. Sushi is not just food, it's an art form, and nowhere is it better experienced than on the streets of Japan. So the next time you find yourself in the land of the rising sun, don't miss the chance to savor these sumptuous sushi rolls. Lastly, we make our way to the bustling streets of China, where a variety of dim sums await us. Imagine a world where you can sample an array of small, bite-sized delicacies, each one bursting with flavor and tradition. This world exists, and it's found in the heart of China, in the form of the divine dim sum. Originating from Guangdong province, dim sum is often served with tea, and together, they form a full tea brunch. But in the bustling streets of China, dim sum has taken on a life of its own, evolving from a relaxing brunch item into a beloved street food sensation. Now let's talk about the variety. From the succulent shrimp dumplings known as har gow, to the savory barbecue pork buns called char siu bao, there's a dim sum for every palate. And don't get me started on the vegetarian options. The lo mai gai, sticky rice with a hearty mix of vegetables wrapped in a lotus leaf, is a must-try. But it's not just about the fillings. The magic of dim sum also lies in the delicate wrapping technique. Each piece is a work of art, with translucent wrappers folded and pleated to perfection, revealing just a hint of the delicious filling within. The sheer craftsmanship that goes into making these bite-sized delights is a testament to the rich culinary tradition of China. And as if the dim sums themselves weren't enough, let's not forget about the accompanying sauces. From the classic soy sauce to the spicy chili oil, each sauce adds a unique dimension of flavor, elevating the dim sum experience to a whole new level. There's something about the combination of the soft, delicate dumpling, the flavorful filling, and the punchy sauce that makes dim sum a hit. Whether savored in a traditional tea house or devoured on the go in the vibrant streets of China, dim sum is more than just a meal. It's a culinary journey. Dim sum brings a taste of Chinese tradition to the streets with a delightful variety that keeps you coming back for more. From sizzling tacos to delicate dim sum, we've taken a taste tour around the world. This gastronomical journey has seen us traverse the bustling lanes of Mexico, savoring the spicy allure of street tacos. We've ventured into the heart of India, where the crispy dosa reigns supreme. Then, we traveled to the vibrant streets of Germany, indulging in the simple pleasures of piping hot pretzels. Our taste buds were next awakened in Japan, with the fresh and intricate flavors of sushi rolls. Finally, we found ourselves in the bustling food markets of China, being charmed by the divine dim sum. Each of these delicious street foods has a unique flavor profile and a cooking technique that's steeped in the rich culture of its origin. They each offer a window into the soul of their respective countries, their people, and their culinary traditions. Now, it's time for you to tell us, which of these street foods made your mouth water the most?